I don't know if this is charged, so I'm gonna try and read through some of the data to see what is specified if I have to charge it beforehand. It isn't stated, and I'm gonna mount it. I'm gonna see if it is gonna work, if it is gonna crank, and if it's not, I'm gonna charge it then. I can always just grab the multimeter and measure it, but let's see what is gonna happen first. And of course, red for positive and black for negative, as any other car out there. So the battery is mounted. Let's see if this thing is gonna crank. So guys, just a little bit of troubleshooting, and this thing didn't want it to start. So I measured the voltage in the battery, and it turns out the battery is fully charged and everything should be working, but for some reason when I pushed the button nothing happened. So the only thing that I could think of was that plug that I removed when I removed the oil tank, and I thought that this is for the oil level only, but now I ended up plugging it back in just like that to make sure, and look what happened. It started right in, so I'm guessing that I'm gonna have to keep that plug, and I don't know if I'm gonna be installing the whole tank or I'm gonna just see which cables I have to wire. So guys, and this is the connector, the plug for the oil tank, and when it is disconnected, even if I engage the ignition, I can close this now. As you can see, nothing happens, but when I short wire, I have a few cables over here going into this plug, and one of them is yellow and green, and we have two white cables in the same location. So when I short wire the white and yellow green wire, now I can start the engine. So I'm gonna short wire them permanently, and I'm gonna solve this problem. So this is gonna be the final touch, I'm guessing. So let's do that now. So guys, here they are completely assembled and ready to be tested properly. I'm gonna make a quick run along the warehouse just to give you, to prove to you that they actually work and run, but I'm gonna leave the testing for some other video because they should be tested properly and I don't have the means and the opportunity to do that now. But basically this is all I wanted to show you. You saw the whole process from start to finish, and they have to be, since they are working now, since they are running, they are so fun to drive. Now I'm gonna have to take care of the exterior of the overall image of them because they look awful and I have to worry about the design, but it is gonna be for another time. Now I added the additional support over here that I've missed before, and now the only thing I'm gonna worry about is to supply enough fuel and to have as much fun as possible. And I'm gonna try to post some videos about that. So here they are, guys. As you saw, I just test them, give them a little spin near the warehouse with each one of them, and I'm happy to introduce to you the thunder and the lightning. It is insane how fun it is to drive them now. They are fast. Probably they need a little bit more tuning just to tune them up perfectly. But anyway, this is way more brutal and way more responsive than this thing. This is way more subtle and has more weight to it, but with this thing you can jump. It is not made for that, but you can do that anyway. While this thing, it is more of a street racer. You have to just hold onto it and give it a bit of throttle and this thing just flies away. So completely different scooters, the same engine, so such a major difference in what performance they give. So I'm happy with the result and I'm gonna keep on testing them and just keep you posted. So if you enjoy this type of content and you find this to be interesting, you may consider subscribing, sharing, comment, whatever you like. It is up to you, so just make sure to stay safe and enjoy life. And if you are interested in seeing more of this type of stuff, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, bye.